What's up, brother? This is AJ with West Sounds. We're going to go over our new 0-12 enclosure and how to install the 0-12 into it. If you look at the back of your sub, you're going to have a location here that's covered up with some plastic so you can't put your bolt through. Give me a minute while I peel that off. Now that that's removed, you'll be able to access the Allen key, the Allen bolt, and center that after you plug in your sub. And you're going to take your bolt, find the hole, and just get it started. You don't want to thread it all the way. You still want to have some movement for the subwoofer. So you can line up your screws. When you're doing the install, you're going to want to notice these two notches, and you can relocate them and move them to where they're situated like that. You're going to want to find your screw holes and then start inserting and getting them seated and move into place. Just go down the line. And then you just go back and make sure everything's all situated down and sucked in. Then you can get your grill and lock that in place. You're going to notice that the West Sounds logo is oriented straight up like that. We're going to get your T25 and finish up securing it from the back. Now that's locked in and you're good to go.